Alright, so here's the steering rack noise or strut bearing noise or something. I need you to turn the steering wheel for me. Okay. All right, all the way to the left and right. Keep doing it. It's definitely not from the strut towers. It's all from underneath. Yeah. It's not the strut towers. Not the strut towers. It's all coming from down here. Yep. So, let me pop the hood because I'll be able to feel it on the strut bearings. Okay, here's the strut bearing. Nope, quite there. Very quiet there. Yeah, definitely the rack. For sure the rack. It's coming from the subframe.